Let us try the simple Madhubani designs for frames and borders. I've taken a sketchbook and fine liners. To begin with, I've made these frames and given double lines to it. So the classic design of Madhubani is that every object, every design in it has these typical double lines. These designs are rather 2D or flat designs. So this double line gives its specific features and gives layers to different objects that are placed together. The traditional art is more of a free hand. However, you can always use a scale if you are not comfortable with freehand. I like to draw it directly. It gives me a practice. I have linked the materials below in the description. Next, with a finer pen, I gave this triangles on the innermost border on all the sides. Next, I made double lines on the triangles, inside the triangles on the outer side. The filling inside these patterns in Madhubani is either by kachani, that is such finer lines or some fine designs, or by bharni, that is with colors. So I'm using these fine lines on the other side of the triangles and filling it up. These designs can be really therapeutic as they have basic patterns. In the next border, I chose to draw some organic lines with some curves instead of straight lines that we did in the first border. And the filling, I'll try to make it even more finer this time and a bit different. Not to forget the double lines. For kachani, that is the filling, I further made these small loops and gave it double line as well. This time I filled up the straight lines outside these curves and gave a kachani filling there as well. This step might take time, but it is very soothing. In some designs, the corners can be tricky, so it can be filled up this way. We can make horizontal lines till the diagonal line of the corner, and then vertical lines such that it coincides the previous ones. Just added few more lines inside. Let us make the next border with both straight patterns as well as the organic ones, that is the curved. So I again gave simple triangles on all the sides. and this time the double line I'm giving it on the inner triangle. I thought of giving these curved pattern inside, but this time on the outer border and a bit smaller. Not to forget the double lines. And in the kachani design, where we did the horizontal lines, I added both horizontal and vertical and filled up the space with more details. This will give a darker shade without actually shading it. And last, to fill up the space inside those small curves, I just added small dots. Enjoy filling up whole border. We shall continue the remaining in the next video.